Yo, welcome back to the 20-day ab challenge, and this is day 11. We about to turn the intensity up a little bit. You already know how we rock. Beginners got 3 sets, intermediates got 4, and advanced got 5. Let's get to it. Today we're starting off with bicycle abs, 30 reps. 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Quick break. Now we're about to go into toe touch crunch. So we'll just have our feet in the air. You'll get it. You'll see. We've done it before. One more second. Feet in the air. Touch your toes for the crunch. You ain't gotta go all the way up. 3, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We saved the hard one for the end of the day. We're gonna probably be on our palms and go full circle with our legs. 10 that way, 10 that way. Full circle. If you remember a couple of videos back, we did a U, but now we're about to bring it all the way through. So let's get ready to knock this first set out. 20 reps, 10 that way, 10 that way. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that one might be a little difficult, but we turning it up. We turning the difficulty up because we got to keep getting better. We got to really grind these abs and work on them to get them tighter and get them rocked up. So we'll take a couple seconds before we start the second set. Yo, we getting over the hump. We did day 10. We're on day 11. Let me know how your progress is going in the comments. Let me know any suggestions you have, because this is just the first series. This is just the beginner series, the test series. We're about to get into an ab wheel series, and they're not going to be as long. So we start off with 20 days. 20 days is a bit much. But we started, we committed, we're going to finish. But after that, the series will be shorter, between 1, 3, and 5 day series. Take a couple more seconds. Because that last lower ab making those circles, that's serious. We're gonna sweat today. About 10 more seconds. We're starting off with bicycle abs. 30 reps. Let's start this second set. We're rolling right into it. Let's go. 5, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's easy. Make it easy. Now we got toe touch abs. You go all the way to the top and get a good squeeze. That's great. I don't really get a good enough squeeze. I'm about halfway there. Legs up. 30 reps. 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's a good one too. That's a good one too. about to get into making those circles. There's mat sliding everywhere, so we gotta work with it. A couple seconds before we start this one. Let's knock out this second set. 10 reps that way, 10 reps that way, making full circles with our feet. Get back on your palms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just like that, we're done with 2 sets. We got 3 more to go. 3 sets is the minimum you should be doing. And everything else after that is just gravy. So take about a minute before we start this 3rd set. We gotta keep it rolling. I'm gonna tell you a secret. I'm recording these videos on my lunch break. Don't have much time. But that's also the stress that you don't need much time to get these exercises in daily. About 30 seconds left. Just wait on the second set. Now you know it's gonna be a good workout. By the end of this, you have a good sweat. Sweat means you're working towards a 6-pack. About 10 seconds. Glad y'all doing this challenge with me because it's a tough thing to do by yourself. I'm telling you. Let's knock these bicycle abs out for the 3rd time today. 5, 13, 14, 15, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Just roll through it. Roll through your workout. It will become easy. Toe touch crunches. Let's get it. 2, 4, 5, 10. 18, 19, 20, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Almost done with the 3rd set. Almost done. Full circles, the hard part of the exercise. Well, to me, you know, to you, it might be the crunches or the bicycle abs. Everybody's different. For me, this is a tough one. 5 more seconds and then we'll rock and roll. Let's go. 10 that way, full circles on your palms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. 3 sets done. 2 more. That's it. That's it. 2 more and we're done. Not like you haven't done 2 sets already today. About a minute. workout, it's good to do something that improves yourself. You get into all sadness like that. Kind of hard to feel sad after I gotta add workouts like that today. And it's all about how you look at it. I look at my workouts as trying to look good or trying to be healthy for tomorrow. You always gotta keep the goal in front of your mind. About 30 seconds. I'm eyeballing the time today, so we're moving fast. Rocking with it. So if I do this workout today, I know tomorrow I should still have a six pack. That's because I got one. If I do this workout today, tomorrow I should still have one. If I don't work out, I say, okay, I'll take the risk of not having a six pack tomorrow. And I know it doesn't literally work like that, but it works kind of way it does. Y'all ready to knock out this full set? Bicycle abs, toe touch crunch, circles, lower ab circles. We'll call that whatever we want to. Let's get it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 18, 19, 20. 30. Woo. Toe touch crunches. 30 reps. I know what to do. Let's get it. 2. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 21, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We're almost done with the fourth set. I really consider the third and fourth set as getting over the hump, because that fifth set is easy. You're always motivated to do that fifth, always motivated to do the last set. Finish your workout. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, because we still gotta finish the fourth. 4 circles, 10 that way, 10 that way. It's the hardest workout, but we dive ahead first. Let's get to it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Just like that, we're done with 4 sets. Call it cramp on my toe there. Take a minute before we knock out this last set for the day. Your heart should be beating, you should be breathing a little heavier at this point. Big heavy breath, slow breath. Control your breathing. You always want to be in control. 30-some seconds left. Look, it's Thursday. You get you a good workout Thursday and tomorrow. You look great for the weekend. Go hit the beach. Or just show off in any way you want to show up. About 10 seconds, little grace period. I know it's a good day today, it's a rough day. Bicycle abs, 30 reps. Let's get into it, because before you know it, we'll be done with the 5th set. Let's go. 8, 9, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You can tell I'm tired when I start speeding up. I try to slow it down, but that's what it is. That's work. You get thrown off. You just change when you're tired. And the point is to stay as focused and locked in as possible so you do not change when you're tired. So I guess that's a mental standpoint that I have to work on as well. So touch crunch. 30 reps. Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We are one exercise away from being done. It's a beautiful thing. I'm ready to be done to finish work for the day, edit this video, upload it. It's a good day for me. Go read, get a little meditation in. Y'all ready to knock out this last set and be done with the workout? Should I keep talking? Circle, lower circle abs, take legs, make a big circle. 10 that way, 10 that way. Let's finish up. Let's start this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, we done. Day 11. We rolling into day 12 because we not stopping until we hit day 20. 1,